I hope you all are doing very well. So kids, this is our revision video. So the things that we did last week, we are going to revise them. Just in case if you left out something, so you can complete from this revision video. So let's start. So kids, in last week, in some of the divisions, the poem Animals was remaining. So first of all, let us revise our poem of Unit 3. That is the Animal Kingdom, and the poem is about animals. So in this poem, we saw that there are different types of animals. Some animals are furry. That is, some animals have fur on their body. Fur means hair. कुछ एनिमल्स के बॉडी पर क्या होते हैं? हेयर्स होते हैं, फर्स होते हैं. सो सम एनिमल्स आर furry. Then some animals make some sounds like cats. The sound that cats give is purr. So cats are purry, while bees are buzzy because bees make buzz sound. So bees कैसी होती है? बजी होती है, बज करती है. एंड कैट्स क्या करते हैं? पर्र. ओके. देन एनिमल्स स्लिम, एनिमल्स स्लिपरी. कुछ एनिमल्स स्लिम होते हैं, थीन होते हैं, वाइल सम एनिमल्स आर स्लिपरी, स्लिप हो जाते हैं. सो सम एनिमल्स आर स्लिपरी. Then birds that are dream, fish that are flippery. Some birds cart. Okay, and fish are flippery. Flips लगाती है fish. So कुछ animals क्या होते हैं? So fish flips लगाती है. Then some animals are humpy and cuddly. Humpy, that is, they have hump on their back. And some animals cuddle with us. So that is animals humpy, animals cuddly. Then camels so bumpy, ducks that are puddly. Now some camels are bumpy. Camels are bumpy. क्या होते हैं? Bump जैसे होते हैं. Okay. And ducks that are puddly. So ducks live in puddles. So that is puddly. Some are the pets to come when I call. And कुछ एनिमल्स हमारे पेट्स होते हैं कि जिसे ये पोएट ने जिसने ये लिखी है, दैट इज यूनाइस डी ब्रेलाइट, वो अपने बारे में बता रहे हैं कि सम एनिमल्स पेट्स होते हैं, तो दे कम व्हेन आई कॉल देम. Others are just to love, and that's all. While other animals, they are just for love, that we give our love to them, and that's all. Okay, kids? So, after poem, we did poem appreciation. See. So, in poem appreciation, our question number 1 is, circle the animals that are mentioned in the poem. So here 7 animals are given. Okay, here in the last after tiger, picture of fish is also there. So we have to circle. We have to circle those animals about whom in the poem it is talked about. जिनके बारे में मेंशन किया है, उनके बाद उन एनिमल्स के पिक्चर पर हमें सर्कल करना है. So in this poem, animals like cat, bird, bee, and here in the last picture fish. Okay, so these animals are mentioned in the poem. So we have to circle these 4 animals. Now our question number 2 is, write the names of the pet animals from the poem. So here we have to write names of 4 animals, 4 pet animals from the poem. So poem में से हमें उन animals का name लिखना है to whom we can keep as pet. So in the poem, from the poem we can say that we can keep cat, bird, fish and duck as our pet. So this pet animal's name is given in the poem. Now question number 3. Write the rhyming words from the poem. Rhyming words. So let us first revise what are rhyming words. Rhyming words are the words that have same ending sound. Yes, rhyming words ऐसे words होते हैं कि जिनके ending sound, end के sound same हो. So first is fuzzy. So the rhyming word of fuzzy is buzzy. Then cuddly. Rhyming word of cuddly is puddly. Then slim. So the rhyming word of slim is trim. And call. Rhyming word of call is all. So this is our poem appreciation. Now let us see what we learn from our enrichment portion. Okay. So our enrichment portion that is given on page number 43 in the textbook. See, what do you think is happening? So look at the picture. See, here there is a girl and a boy. So you have to look at this picture and then say, what do you think is happening? So from this picture we can say that they are fighting with each other. Right? See, look at their angry faces. See, it seems like they are shouting at each other. Look, their faces. Right? So, from the picture we can say that the boy and the girl they are fighting. Okay, so the boy and girl are fighting with each other. Now, it is asked to you, do you fight with your friends or brothers and sisters? And if yes, then why do you fight? But I know I asked you in the class that do you fight with your friends or brothers and sisters? And everyone said no. So that is good. So we should never fight with our friends, brothers and sisters. So in the story of two gods, they solved their problem because they stopped fighting. Do you think they did the right thing? So yes. So from the story we learned that we should never fight over little things, but we should think about our problem and try to solve it. So the gods did the same thing. They thought how to solve their problem and so they were able to pass the bridge. So yes, we should always think our problems and we should never fight with each other. Then last we did was I can read, which was your homework. So here some instructions are given and by reading these sentences you had to draw the pictures. Okay kids. So by these we completed our unit 3 from English literature. Then we started chapter 4 from English grammar, that is a and the, that are also known as articles. So let us revise our chapter number 4. Okay. So now chapter number 4 from English grammar, that is a and the. A and the, they are also known as articles. Right? So first of all let us see where and how to use a and an. See, so we use a before things that are only one in number, and when a word start with a consonant sound. So we have 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, and the letters other than this are consonants. So A is used before words that are 1 in number and also before words that start with consonant sound. Examples are banana, so that is a banana, a dog, Then N. N is also used for things that are 1 in number. Okay, so we use N with before things that are only 1 in number and before words that start with vowel, and we use N with words that start with vowel. Okay, so that is A and N. Then we did one textbook exercise. In that, what we have to do is that there are 6 words that like ball, island, panda, umbrella, apple and rabbit, and they are written with A or N. So, if A or N is used correctly with these words, then we have to put tick, and if they are used incorrectly, then we have to put क्रॉस. मतलब कि यहाँ पर हमें 6 वर्ड्स दिए हैं और उन वर्ड्स के आगे ए या एन है. अगर वहाँ पर उन वर्ड के आगे जो ए या तो फिर एन यूज हुआ है, अगर वो करेक्ट है, इफ इट इज करेक्ट देन ए, एंड इफ इट इज इनकरेक्ट, इफ ए और एन इज करेक्ट तो हमें टिक करना है, और अगर उन वर्ड के आगे ए या एन जो लिखा है वो इनकरेक्ट है, then we have to put cross. So this is how we completed our textbook exercise. Here A ball is correct, so we put tick. A island, it is incorrect because here the beginning sound or the starting sound is I, that is vowel. So for this incorrect. A panda, P, that is also consonant, so A panda is correct, so tick. An umbrella, A, that is a vowel sound, so N is correctly used with this word, so tick. An apple, A, that is vowel, so before apple N is used, so that is also correct, so put tick. And an rabbit, again correct, and rabbit is incorrect, sorry, because here R is given which is consonant sound and here N is given, so that is incorrect, so we have to put cross. Now see another exercise. Then question number 2, fill in the blanks with A or N. This was your homework, so let us discuss answers. Here A pencil and an eraser, because here P. Okay, so A and here E, the beginning sound is E, vowel, so N. Now second, here E, ear, that is ear, so beginning sound is vowel, so before beginning sound we write N, so an ear, and A nose, because N, consonant sound, so A. An egg, A, that is vowel sound, so here N will come. And dash toast, so toast, the beginning sound is T, which is consonant, so here A. Then D, an ice cream, beginning sound is I, so before vowel we have to write N. And dash cake, K, that is beginning sound is K, so before K, which is consonant, we have to write A, so A cake. And last, A boy and A girl, A in both of them, because in boy beginning sound is B and in girl beginning sound is G, that is both are consonants, so A. Now we will see use of the. So we use the before things when we talk about them the second time. Anything about whom we are talking for the second time. अगर हम वही उसी चीज के बारे में अगर दूसरी बार बात कर रहे हैं, then we have to use the. Okay, so here we also have one example, that is, this is a house, the house is blue. So here about house we have already talked for the first time. Now in this sentence we are talking about the same house for the second time, that is, we are talking about its color. So here the I am eating an apple. So as we are talking about apple in this sentence for the first time, so we have to use an. Okay. Now the apple is sweet. So now about the same apple, this girl is saying that it is sweet. So as she is talking about this apple for the second time, she is talking about its taste. So the apple is sweet. Then we have one exercise, that is fill in the blanks with a or the. Okay, so in this we have to fill in the blank with either a or the. So see, I have got dash cat. Dash cat is fat. So here cat, we are talking about cat for the first time. So I have a cat. Now in this sentence, in this second sentence, we are talking about cat for the second time. So the cat. Similarly with B, Tom has dash bag. Dash bag is yellow. Tom has a bag. Here bag, as it is 1 in number and its starting sound is consonant. So a. And now in this sentence we are talking about bag. We are talking about color of the bag. So that is second time. Second time हम इस बैग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So for that reason the bag is yellow. So by this way we completed our third exercise also. Now we will see next. Now we also use the before things that are special and only one in number. Like see the sun, the moon, the Taj Mahal. There is only one sun, one moon and one Taj Mahal in this world. So kids, we also use the before things that are special and which are only one in this world. Like the examples are given. See the sun, the moon and the Taj Mahal. They are only one in number in this whole world. So for that reason we use the before these words. Now we do not use the before the names of a person and places. That is, we never use the before names of any person and place. अगर किसी भी person का name है, किसी भी place का name है, जगह का name है, so we never use the before them. Okay, कोई भी place यानी कि you can say cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. Okay, so they are places. So we never use the before the names of these places. Then we did one exercise, that is this: read these sentences and add the where needed. So in this we have to fill in this blank with the. Okay, wherever it is required, where it is needed, जहाँ पर भी the होना चाहिए वहाँ पर हमें the add करके ये sentences को complete करना है. Now see A. I live in dash India. Now India is name of a place. So we will not use the here. So for that reason we put blank. Now dash Jane is reading a book. So here Jane is name of a girl. So before name of a person we don't use the. So that's why we put blank here. Now dash moon is shining in dash sky. So the moon is shining in the sky. Because sky and moon, they are only one in number in this whole world. So we have to put the. Now D. I am writing a letter. Dash letter is for my sister. So here for the first time we have already talked about letter, that is in this sentence. Now as we are talking about letter for the second time, so here we have to write the. The letter is for my sister. Now last, we saw an elephant. Dash elephant was huge. So we saw an elephant here. Elephant, about elephant we have already talked about for the first time. यहाँ पर already first one time elephant के बारे में बात कर दी है. Now the elephant was huge. So as we are talking about elephant for the second time, So here we have to use the. The elephant was huge. Okay kids. Now next exercise. Now in this exercise, fill in the blanks using a, and, or, the. So we have to fill in these blanks with a, and, or, the. So first, I live in a small house. So here small. So beginning sound is s, consonant. So a. Then B. Dash elephant is the largest land animal. कि एलिफेंट है वो लार्जेस्ट लैंड एनिमल है, सो वी हैव टू यूज द ओवर हियर बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पर्टिकुलर एनिमल दैट इज एलिफेंट. Okay, so that's why the. Then see, I saw dash ant in my bedroom. So an ant, because here ant is given, a vowel, so an. The baby smiled at Sony. So here we are talking about baby who is smiling at Sony. So for that reason, the baby smiled at Sony. Now next, Zina gave her friend dash pink flower. Pink, beginning sound is p, consonant, so a. Now F, dash sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So the sun, because sun is only 1 in number. And last is Sam put dash ice cube in his glass of milk. So ice cube 1 in number and the beginning sound is I. So an ice cube. So Sam put an ice cube in his glass of milk. Okay. So kids, so by this we completed our fourth revision of fourth chapter, that is A and the. Okay everyone, so this is all about today's video. So bye bye kids.